You know what? I'm back. You know why I'm back? Because my Nana, my grandma, she punked me. My fucking Nana pumped me. She punked me. I'll tell you why she punked me. I went over to her house to get some cookies, and I told her, I was like, hey, I made $1,000 today. And you know what she said? That's all. That's literally what she said. She called me out. I was like, what the fuck? My grandma is calling me out for only making $1,000. I'm like, Nana, what the fuck, Nana? So let's do it. Let's fucking do Power Hour, baby. The market's moving. I'm going to put on some real music. None of that bullshit. Let's go. What should we play? Well, we got some music today. 1 hour. Power Hour. Let's go. Share it with all your friends. Call your grandma. Show your uncle, your brother, your mother. Right now, we're looking for this move up here. Got that 4,100 area in play. Gonna be watching. Should we put some Metallica on? All right, let me see. Metallica. How do you spell fucking Metallica? Why am I such an idiot? Metallica. Greatest hits. 1 hour of Metallica live on the stream. Fucking A, grandma. I literally cannot believe my grandma punked me like that. That's some real bullshit. I'm not gonna be honest with you. She literally said that, and I was like, all right. And I literally left, and I was like, I'm fucking going back. I'm going back. I ain't gonna let the grandma take me down today. No. Thank you very much. All right. Let's see what we got. We got a couple things going on right now, actually. We got this little setup here. I think what my plan is let's just fucking wait to see what kind of happens in between this area. If we can get above that 100 level here, end of day, I think there's a good possibility of a squeeze, end of day. Right? it's not even 3 o'clock yet. We still got time. It's only 2:57. It's been a minute since I've live streamed for the Power Hour, but let's go. Fucking Nana. We're trading the ES, baby. We're trading the ES. And nothing else matters. Hey, also today, big news as well. I just got an email from Topstep. Topstep today offering 35% off for the thingamajiggy, because the Super Bowl this weekend. I don't know if I can say it on YouTube, but we're having a little Super Bowl party this weekend, so that's happening. Finding you. I think they're just doing the discount because it's Super Bowl weekend. Do I miss macaroni salad? No. Fuck macaroni salad. I don't like macaroni salad, to be honest. What they say. I'm definitely going to get a copyright infringement here, so fuck it. We're not making any money today on this live stream anyway. We are. On the 15-minute chart, we held the VWAP there. VWAP holding right now at the 85s. Right now on the 15-minute chart, pushing up there at 95s, 96s, still squeezing. Uh-oh, we're going, baby. Like I said, kind of just waiting to see if we get above that 100 level. We get above 100, and I think it's off to the races. But what's interesting is here on the 3-minute chart, we got that kind of perfect little, I don't want to say perfect little breakout, but We had the MACD set up. We had the breakout right there on the 3-minute chart. Everything lining up from the 88s now up there to the 97s. Why does... Oh, no, I see what you mean. It's because the link got fucked up. The link should be good now. Let me try it now. That link should work. But you got to use a code Champions35 for the 35% discount. I didn't long 87s just because I was literally getting on the stream when that set up here, but I'm waiting for that next pullback setup. I think here, end of day, there'll be something to happen. This is like, you know what's funny is I feel like all the Metallica songs are literally like, they're kind of like how I feel about the haters sometimes, you know? I don't care what they do. I don't care what they know. I don't care what they say. Nelson, I think I'm a lot fucking better. 1,000 fucking better, actually. Here we go. We're pushing up there to the 100 level. Will we be able to push through? We've had that high earlier. That 175 level earlier. We broke out to the upside, up there to the 96s now. There we go. 98, still pushing. Fuck. This is that breakout. I was getting ready for the live stream, and this thing fucking just went. Beautiful little breakout there. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, we are. I mean, I think at this point, we pretty much just wait for the breakout over the hundreds and then turn that 100 area into support, or we get denied at the hundreds here. So, I don't think it's like, we don't need to like really do much right now, right? Like, Tommy Hawk said that he doesn't think anyone's buying end of Friday. So fuck. It's not a long weekend. Is it a long weekend? That's next weekend, buddy. You got the wrong weekend mixed up. You got the wrong weekends mixed up. It's a normal weekend. Next weekend's a long weekend. Does my Nana know that I can lose $1,000 real quick? No, she doesn't know that. She only thinks I fucking make millions of dollars. Yeah, she fucking knows that. Come on, guys. She's not an imbecile. She might be old, but she's not an imbecile. I think just because Tommy Hawk said that he doesn't think anyone's buying into Friday that we're going to squeeze. I think we're going to squeeze just for the sheer fact that Tommy Hawk thinks that we're not going to. I don't know why I'm so pumped up right now. I had a coffee. I had a little sugary coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. Bad idea that was. This could really end up being a terrible idea. The reason I normally don't do the power hour streams is because in Hawaii, I don't really, I'm normally doing more stuff. Doing stuff normally during this time. But here in Orlando, I have nothing to do. I have no friends. I have nothing to do. Go to Disney World. Whee! I'm friendless. X is light. Then tonight, take the hand. Watching the book map right now here at the 96s, 100 area, just kind of waiting and watching here. Like I said, looking for that push over 100, baby. Yeah, the live stream's going to be fucked. I'm not getting paid for this live stream, by the way. Hold on one second. I got to film this for the vlog. All right, so we are live on YouTube for the Power Hour. I was sitting here looking at the market. My grandma making fun of me today because I only made $1,000 instead of $3,000. She literally said, "Oh, you only made $1,000? Wow, okay, Patrick, cool." So that was like a challenge. She fucking challenged me. Now I'm gonna end up losing $4,000. So great, thanks for that, Nana. So we're gonna go live here. Power Hour. It's 3 o'clock. We've been doing it, working all day. We got 1 hour left. We're vlogging today. We're vlogging, baby. So let's get into it. We're live on YouTube. Wee. Do. Go find a girlfriend in Florida. Do I really need I don't need a girlfriend. Sleep with what I open. Up to never, never land. Market looking squeezy. Market looking squeezy. Is that music just insane? Is it? Can you guys hear me talking when the music's playing or no? Is it too loud? Go get a European girl at Universal. Guys, you guys are funny. We got an hour of Metallica. We got an hour of Power Hour, baby. I would love to get this pullback to the 90s here. Get that pullback to the 90s. Get that push off of that 21 EMA. We love that setup here, the Patrick Wieland setup right now. Can we get a nice little Patrick Wieland setup for that break over 100? 4,100, the target. You get over that 4,100, we go to fucking, I think we go at least 15, at least over there, so. Hansen shoe repair, okay. Got a bunch of resistance there at the 97s. Bunch of resistance there right now, 97, 98, 100. So I'm pretty much thinking we just wait, possibly get that breakout over the hundreds here. And then it kind of sets us up for something to happen. What do you guys think? That's what I'm thinking. We made a nice little higher low at that 80 area. The 80 area holding there on the ES. Looking like she wants to squeeze here end of day. Oh, you fuck. I don't know why it does this. Watching to see kind of, just like I said, just I think given a little bit of time, if we can get this nice little beautiful setup here on the 3-minute chart, I would love to get this like down to the 90s and then get that nice little breakout. We got the MACD bullish right now. We got this end of day Friday action. Friday Power Hour, baby. Yeah, I mean, everything's kind of lining up for a push up, so. The high so far today, 101.50. 101.50 there on the high, so. Let's go. Text long from the 90s. Not a bad idea. I think that breakout right here was beautiful. From that 90 level up there to the 98s. Getting very tight here on the 15-minute chart. Look at the 15-minute chart right now. that overall, like, making it higher low, higher low, higher low. So this is definitely tight, tight, tight right here. So over this area, you got that pivot point up there at the 13s. Here, end of day possible. So get a little squeeze, end of day. We keep putting in those higher lows. I'd be really surprised if we don't break through 100 here today. Lake Eola Farmers Market. All right, all right. I like getting all the advice on where to pick up chicks at in Orlando. I think I could just sit here on YouTube. I'll put up a live stream on YouTube that says single male looking for female. This should get some bites. Should get some interest. Just dating live on YouTube. Anybody want to go on a date live on YouTube? Right now, I would have loved to get a little bit more pullback there. Let's see if there's still some chance of pulling back here just a little bit more. I feel like the more that we test that 90 area, the better. There's a bunch of liquidity stacking up, 97, 98 there, and then above that, the hundreds on the book map right now. So, oh, the wine room. That's where I'm going, baby. I want the women with the money. Get me a sugar mama. What times of day have I found the most success? I would probably say between like 9 o'clock, well, 9:30 and 11, and then power hour, I would say is the best times success-wise. Never me. On the book map right now, a lot of resistance, not a lot of buyers stepping up right now. Little iceberg buyer right there just popped up when we sold down there. Power hour is between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. That last, normally you get like you get that last hour of action and the market moves and you get some volume coming in there. You get more volume normally in the end of day. Mike Thurston, yep, I got you, buddy. Don't worry. I got you. Would love to see, like I said, that pullback kind of like 90 area one more time. That was resistance here on the 3-minute chart. That was that resistance right here, 91. So kind of pull back 91s, test that, and then we look for, yeah, look for that setup. You see here on the 3-minute chart with the kind of fair value gap, FVG, on the 3-minute chart here. So kind of looking like for that 91 area to be holding support. Never me. Yeah, 3 to 4 Eastern time. Eastern time, baby. There's only one time zone on this fucking planet, and it's Eastern. If you don't live on the Eastern time, it don't matter. I pretty much live, my whole entire life is based around Eastern time. Obviously, even living in Hawaii, I still feel like I'm living on Eastern time. We got the VWAP down there, the 85s right here. So everything kind of looking good. Will we find buyers here at the 91s? Book map, there's some buyers coming in there, 90, 91, the 90 area right here. Got the 3-minute chart setting up nicely. We got the MACD bullish right now. Will we get this breakout over the 100? I 72 bounce. I see that. All right, let's see if we're going to find some support down here. 87s now. It'd be funny if I went live and did all this and we don't even get a move. But that's trading, my friends. That's trading. Just sitting back here waiting and watching. I mean, I'm definitely going to get hit with the copyright. I won't make any money on this live stream. Instead of making $5, I'll just make no money. Prayful Monday. If I'm not gonna live in my new place, why'd you buy an expensive setup? When did I say I'm not gonna live here? I'm traveling back and forth. I'm from Orlando. I was born and raised in Orlando. My family lives in Orlando. I don't know why people are so fucking confused. Everyone's like, why'd you go to Orlando? This is where my family's here. What do you want me to, like, relax, people? Would you not, if you had to choose somewhere to live, would you not want to be maybe near your family at some point in your life? I lived in Hawaii for 3 years. Or I've been in Hawaii for 3 years. And yes, I still have the house in Hawaii as well. Oh my God, yes, I still have Hawaii. Fuck it, hey, people. I went to high school at Timber Creek. Hello? I'm live on YouTube. What's poppin'? No what? Hello, live streamers. What you doing? You going to work? At least it's Friday. Happy Aloha Friday. Happy Aloha Friday. Oh, living the dream. Yeah, thank you. I like to see your face. Like that? Makes my head look smaller. I told the barber, I was like, look, we got to figure out how to make my head look smaller. We're going to take as much off the sides, leave it on the top. I mean, it's already a big. I got my head so big, you know. So now it's like maybe a little smaller. It's always gonna be big no matter what. Yeah, 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 yeah. You gotta see the sunlight. Has it been raining there a bunch? All right. Don't worry. There's only like 1,000 people watching right now. It's all good. Bye. That's funny. We're back. I'm going to the basketball game tomorrow night. The combine deal is Champions 35 for the 35% off of the Topstep combine there. Champions 35. Orlando's playing the Miami Heat, actually. I got some suites, some tickets in the suite, baby. Gonna be up in there drinking, eating, living the best life. Living my best life, baby. Is it a buy or a sell? Right now, it's pretty much nothing. Is there better surfing in Florida? Fuck no. Hawaii is the best surfing spot in the world, basically. The North Shore of Oahu is literally the pinnacle of surfing. When it comes to surfing, like if you want to be somebody, North Shore of Oahu is the spot. All right, so we're just pulling back right now. I thought we were gonna just like start doing some squeezing here. I was like, oh, this will be fun, and we're gonna start squeezing up. And the question now is, can we hold? If we can hold here above the VWAP, let's see. We still got another 30 minutes here. Power hour, baby. Mike Hawk. Also, I have it as well. Mine's probably better than Mike's. Just putting it out there. Do I wear tight clothes in Orlando? Everywhere, baby. Is the weather better in Hawaii or Orlando? Definitely Hawaii. Honestly, there's nothing better. I mean, there's some benefits of Florida, but like when it comes to like everything, I mean, Hawaii is paradise. Kelly Slater is from Cocoa Beach, but he has a house on the North Shore of Oahu. The GOAT. I work out with Shane Dorian, so. Right now, we're at that point of control here, just kind of sitting back. I'm definitely not going to just take a trade because we're live, that's for sure. Poland, we're live in Poland. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just waiting and watching, to be honest. Market getting very tight right here. We got 30 minutes pretty much left in the market here. Can we get one more big move? One good setup here. Was hoping for a continuation through that 100 area, but we just look at this thing right now. On the day, overall on the day, we're just pretty much just stuck between 80 and 100. Had a little put down there to the 70s, but we're right back up there to the hundreds. Getting tight, tight, tight. I'm excited for later. I got me a steak dinner planned, boys. Going out to the steakhouse tonight, have a nice dinner. Maybe have filet mignon, maybe some lobster. Who knows? I'm going hard. Carlos, what's up? I've been trading now since 2016. Nah, man, filet. No, I honestly, I like a good tomahawk too. Good tomahawk steak. Is the Church Street station still open? I don't think so. Bradley going to the dollhouse. Oh no, that sounds like trouble. Me and the dollhouse. That sounds like trouble. What was my job before I was a trader? I was a professional filmer and editor. If you hit those 2 red days, didn't you draw down of max 4,500? It's the funded account. There is no drawdown in the max. There is no drawdown max in the funded account. And I lost 3,000 on Tuesday, made 3,000 on Wednesday, lost 3,000 on Thursday. But yeah, there is no max drawdown on the funded account, only in the combine. I'm going back to Hawaii on Sunday. What year did I start making enough money from trading to stop working? I mean, I've always hustled. I've always had a million different ways to make money, so I don't really sit around thinking about it like that. Like I talked about the other day on YouTube, the truth of it all, you know? I mean, I make money from the commissions, from the fees. Not the fees, but I make money from all of it. The YouTube, the trading, the fun. Nikita, yeah, I made $1,000 a day. We're up $1,000 today. $1,175 so far on the day right here. 1,000. So yeah, 1,090, almost 1,100. So fucking grandma, telling me that I was not enough. I can't believe she made fun of me. The best part is I actually filmed it as well, so it's great. Great for the vlog. You're not gonna lose $150,000 with Topstep. They're gonna cut you off. There's a maximum loss on the day. So no matter what, like if you lose $3,000 in one day, you're gonna get cut off. I am not long. I'm not short. I have nothing open right now, guys. I'll let you know. Trust me, if I'm in a trade, you're going to know here. Right now, bouncing off this trend line. We have this trend line that we've been bouncing off since this move down at 12 o'clock. We bounce it off there. We bounce it off here. We got this touch. You got this touch. You got this touch. And now you got this touch. So will we hold the trend and start to push back up now? That 4,100 area is going to be the battleground. But I wouldn't be surprised to see just a push right over 4,100 here, end of day. Get some squeeze going. They want to fuck everybody up here. Or maybe we just go absolutely sideways. Correct. There is no trailing drawdown stop on the funded account once you have money basically in that account. Obviously, if you go below 0, yes. This live stream just won't make it. I just won't make any money from this live stream. I'm doing it for the love, guys. I'm doing it for the love right now. The reason I have the yellow candles is because I'm colorblind. Green and blue is a bad color for me. I have a problem with greens and blues. I can see yellows, but I can't. The greens and blues always look weird for me. So I just put yellow up there. It's like McDonald's, baby. You can have what you want. All right, we're setting up. Look at this. You saw the indicator just drew that setup here, that rising wedge. The code for Topstep will only work this weekend. Champions 35. If you get funded and you lose $3,000, you would have to pay them back. You don't have to, yeah. You could lose, I mean, let's think about it like this. You could literally lose, I don't know, however much money. As long as you don't go below 0 on the account. I mean, even if you, yeah, it won't. Once you're in the funded account, you're not going to have, you don't ever have to pay Topstep back, if that makes sense, right? You don't ever have to pay them back. Right now, bouncing off that trend line, looking like we're going to push up here. 96s. A lot of liquidity sitting there on the book map right now. 95, 97 level. It's 331. 331. Let's see what happens. You can see here on the chart, getting real tight right there. Real tight. I honestly I'm not gonna, like, this obviously is not financial advice, but I don't see how this doesn't break 100 here end of day. Don't quote me on it, but I honestly don't see how we don't break 100. Look at the VWAP. The VWAP's literally been flat pretty much all day. How insane is that? The VWAP has literally been flat all day. That means we've had very little volume through this move, so interesting. Just watching here, getting tighter. Again, we got that MACD trying to push back up. We got that little pullback. We're back above the 21 EMA right there. The problem is we do have that resistance, 96s, then 100s. Like I said, I'm kind of thinking that the best plan is to kind of wait. Let's get above that 100 area and then look for that move up. Could this be a bull trap? You never know. The $1 million question, my friend. I wish it was that easy. But I think the way that we're moving up here, like the way that we're putting in these higher lows, I don't know. It looks a lot like this wants to push. What's my view on the Indian stock market? I don't know. No real view, I guess. I haven't really thought about it. There will be the algorithm at 350 as well. So 350, we should get some type of little move, There is a link if you want to learn more about the indicator on the chart right here in the description. They have free indicators on TradingView as well. It's over. I know what the algorithm is at 350. The imbalance is. I know what it is. But that algorithm at 350 will kind of move the market a little sporadically. You normally get some volatility there at 350. Once again, finding resistance here. I am going to be partnering with Lux Algo. Been talking to the owner, the creators for the last week or so. Their stuff's been around for a long time. I'd say they're one of the most popular kind of indicator suites on TradingView. So they got like 50,000 people using their indicators on TradingView. They have a bunch of free ones as well, so. The nice thing is I love how it just automatically draws trend lines and just finds those setups. It literally tells you, like, it detects patterns. Like it says, like right here, symmetrical triangle, So it's that the Lux Algo indicator is drawing the lines. Obviously, if we get rid, of this, but it's not me drawing those lines. It's all the indicator. It's the Lux Algo Smart Money Concepts Premium Indicator. Robert, yeah. Here we go. We're pushing up once again. What do you think? We're going to break out right here, or we're going to pull back one more time? We're getting closer and closer. 336. Did I change my strategy? No. Why does everybody always like ask the crazy questions like this? I don't know. I'm still trading my same strategy, guys. Just using some other stuff. Just getting some more information, you know. Nothing hurt. Nothing wrong with it, guys. The 3-minute strategy still stays the same. Bow, bow. Sitting here patiently for power. I thought for sure we were going to be getting some power hour action, but this market just does not want to give us the... You know, I apologize, actually. I should not have gone live. If I wouldn't have went live, the market would be at like 140 right now. Cook's Delta, there's a bunch of videos on my channel, so go check them out. If you want to learn more about my strategy, you can check out my course, check out the channel, whatever you want to do. I'm not going to spend time sitting here talking about it right now. Yeah, I don't have any indicators on my Topstep platform. My Topstep platform literally looks like this. I took all the indicators off there. The Trade of 8 platform is like literally just the worst for charting. I don't know. I really don't like Trade of 8's platform for charting. Honestly, I wish TradingView was better for getting in and out, but TradingView is definitely it's laggy. It's like almost, I would say it's like impossible to trade through TradingView. It's just too laggy. Like you'll place an order, it takes like 30-40 seconds to like show up on the screen. I'm for reals. What do you make, like $40,000-$50,000 a day or what? I'm still not sure if I'm for reals is for real or not. Do I have a plan to change? The reason I work with Topstep is Topstep's been in business for over 10 years. You know, if I'm going to partner with a company, I want to partner with a company that I can trust. I know Topstep's been in business. I've talked to the CEO. I'm not hating on the other companies, but I think it's important for me to make sure that I partner with the, companies that I can trust. I'm not saying that other companies you can't trust, but like I said, are we buying? We're just waiting right now. Like I said, over 100, I think it gets interesting. I'm using the browser for Trade of 8. Bunch of buyers stepping out right now on the book map here at the 97s. Look at all those buyers stepping up there. 97, 96, bunch of buyers. I think we're starting to go. I think we're starting to push here. Let's see. There's a bunch of liquidity at the hundreds there too. The end of day action. What will happen? Got 20 minutes left here. Oh, 100s holding us down right now. 100s holding us down. Buyers there at the 49s. You can see, look at the book map clearing out right now, liquidity-wise. You guys saw that? You saw the liquidity just got way less liquidity? Interesting. We had a bunch of orders kind of sitting around there, and then now it's all we have is pretty much that 100 area sitting there. I mean, I don't know for sure if it's going to push over 100, obviously. Now liquidity came back in there. Weird. In the combine, you need to close all your positions by, I think, 4:10. The high so far today up there at the, I think, 101.50s. I'm still using the 3-minute chart. Yes, yes, yes. Next week, we got CPI numbers. Should get some bigger moves. Going to be back in Hawaii on Sunday to trade, so looking forward to making some money next week, baby. Man, they are making it difficult right here. I won't trade Sunday night. I'll trade Monday morning. But I'm flying back Sunday. Gonna miss out on the Super Bowl. I'll be sleeping on the plane. First class, baby. I don't use 2000. Yeah, I'm still using 2000 tick chart. Yes, 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 yes. So right now we're bouncing kind of off that trend. And I'll be coming back to Florida, yes. Gosh. I told you guys the idea here. I want to be able to go to Florida. I want to go to Hawaii. I want to be agile. I want to go all around. Sometimes I golf. Not like a really avid golfer, but sometimes. All right, 3:43. We got about another 17 minutes here. Market getting real tight. We keep bouncing. We keep bouncing off this trend line here to the bottom, so I think over the hundreds, end of day squeeze going. You break over that high of day, the bears are going to be like, oh, fuck. Bow, bow, bow. Boop, boop, boop. What's my opinion on California? I would not live in California if you paid me to live in California. California is way too woke for me. Way too woke. Little squeeze up now, up there to the 98, 100 area again. There's a buyers coming in there on the book map right now, trying to squeeze it. Will they get through? That 100 area is looking thick. 371 contracts at 100 right now. Trying to get this push through 100. But like legit, I wouldn't live in California if you paid me. Like California could be like, hey, we'll pay you to live here. And I'd be like, nah, no thank you. I'll pass. I think, you know, there's some cool places in California. I don't hate people from California. I just think that California is literally just like the cesspool of wokeness. All right, we're pushing 99.50 there. There's a big buyer at 98 right now battling. The 98 buyer battling the 100 seller. We got 5 minutes till 350. We'll see some more action here. I think I don't want to make it gamble here, but I'm thinking if we push here through the hundreds, we're going. Let's see. Got a big buyer at 98. Big massive buyer at 98.50, like a massive buyer. About 500 contracts at 98.50. We got 352 contracts at 100. We got a massive buyer at 98.50. Right now, we took out that buyer there at the hundreds here. Bow, bow, bow. Iceberg seller sitting there right now. Just not trying to get through. They just can't get it through there. Look at that big buyer at 98s. He got sold into. Oh my gosh. This battle right now, boys. It's a battle. The battle is so real. Back up there to the hundreds, 101s. You got 101 and 102 area resistance on the book map right now. Come on, just give me a good old boner candle to the upside here. You got to get through that 102 area. '99s, come on. They're through the hundreds, baby. We got to get through all this resistance there. Just got to get through all that resistance there, the hundreds, 102s, and then I think it goes. Just got to get through it. 101, big seller there again. We're right there at the hundreds now. Trying to push 101s through here. Got a buyer at the hundreds now. They're stacking it up at the 102s here. No explosion. Where's the explosion when you need it? Fucking A. Get ready for this algorithm to pop off here in about 50 seconds. Up there to the 102s now. Big iceberg. Well, not a big iceberg, but a iceberger right there at the 102s. Let's see what happens here at 350. We're over the hundreds now. Like I said, we're going higher. We're going higher, baby. Homeboy did, yeah. No, he said 409 on the SPY. Where are we at right now on the SPY? AMC at 471. You fucking idiots. We're at 408.16 on the SPY right now. Watch this algorithm pop off. Get ready for this. Get ready for it. Are you guys ready for this? Watch it. Watch this algorithm popping here in a second. About 5. If you're long right now, get ready to have some orders out there for some quick pop to the upside. There's that little pop. It popped to the 103s. Uneventful. Oh. It's uneventful. Guess there's just not much imbalance right now. $104 on the book map here. $104 on the book map possible. Yeah, see, like I would have needed like some crazy action to pop up big boner candles, so. But I mean, we pretty much We nailed, I mean, I didn't nail it, but that pullback there, 88. It's so hard for me, like, to buy off those trend lines. I got to, like, spend more time, I guess, really kind of figuring it out. But you had what? From the 85s, from the 87s to the 100s on this chart here. We popped up there to the 103s. Like I said earlier, Topstep is offering a 35% discount this weekend for the big game for the Super Bowl. Am I allowed to say Super Bowl on YouTube? I might get banned. The battle is real here at the hundreds. On the day right now, I'm up about $1,164. Not the best day of my life, but it is what it is. Looks like we're just going to kind of end flat here. Right at that 100 area. What'll be interesting is watching once the market closes. Watch this thing after the market closes. It's just going to end up like probably just squeezing up. But you always see these moves after hours sometimes. They just end up squeezing right up there. Yeah, after 4 o'clock. There's the link to find out more about the indicator that I'm using. Hundreds, hundreds, hundreds. George, no one's giving you $1. Get out of here. She's still going higher. She's still going higher. Got some liquidity up there at the 107s. Pretty heavy at the 104s and then 105 sitting there. Got about 7 minutes left in the market here. My day was pretty much, I made $1,000 a day. Pretty slow day, to be honest. Well, we pushed up their 104s. $104.25. Hey, we got over 100, so. George getting banned. See you later, George. See you later, George. Nobody's giving you $1. No one's giving you $1. Watch them. They're going to close this right at 100 now. Just whee. The Bulls are still fighting. The Bulls are still fighting. Take out that 105 level, go 107s next. Is it possible? The $1 million question. Do. The market makers. If you're watching right now, market makers, send this thing to 110 so everybody can get rich. I don't think so. Look at it's way too heavy right now. All those sellers coming in there right now. All right. With the song slowing down and ending right there. Good time to finish it up here. Well, there it is. 1 hour of power hour. We got the move above 100. I'll be happy with that. I can't always be perfectly right. You know, I can't predict exactly where the market's going to go, but we said we were looking for that push over 100. We got that push up there to 104. I'll go ahead and pat myself on the back. It's fucking hot in here, by the way. But we did an hour of power hour live here on YouTube, and it's currently almost 4 o'clock. Been doing a little vlog here today with you guys. It's funny because I'm talking to the camera for the vlog, and I'm also talking to the live stream. So Inception, baby. It's all Inception. But yeah, I'll hang out for another 4 minutes, see what happens here. Dude, I got the video. I got the video of Grandma making fun of me for fucking only making $1,000. She literally said, "That's it." She literally said, "That's it." I was honestly embarrassed. I was like, "Oh my, wow." The grandma got me. Grandma literally got me. How did Grandma get me? So like she got me so perfectly. Fucking Nana. She's also, my grandma's on YouTube talking shit to the commenters. Some guy commented saying that her apartment was a shithole, and she said, "Fuck you." She said, my apartment's not a shithole. That's what she said. I was like, what? Don't fuck around with my 87-year-old fucking Nana, all right? People, leave her alone. All right, we got 3 minutes here. Just waiting to see. Nana didn't make anything today. She's just chilling. Just chilling, man. Why would people comment? Because people are idiots. People just want attention. But yeah, I'm gonna make a video talking about this new indicator suite, whatever you want to call it. I've been using it now pretty much like all week, and not to say that I've really capitalized off it. You know, the indicator is not going to make me a millionaire, but I will say it's pretty cool to kind of see. Like I said, you know, it draws the trend lines for me. It detects the different patterns and kind of figures out, you know. Not that I can't draw trend lines, but it's nice to just automatically let those trend lines pop off there. You can see that trend line from earlier, ding, 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 getting the push up there. Look at this little, like, they call this a liquidity trend line right there. We had this, like, order block down here. We go, doot, 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 and we just held that trend all the way up there to 100. So I think in time, you know, it's really getting to a point where I just have to have more faith in the overall structure, you know. Market structure is really what it comes down to. Is like figuring out just to have more belief in the idea that the structure works, right? Like I have to believe that this is a valuable thingy. Does that make sense? Because, I mean, you saw, we had the pullback. We got stuck there earlier. We got stuck right there at the 96s. We pulled back. We perfectly bounced off that trend line. We bounced off it earlier. I mean, the trade for this at the end of the day was really that move down to that trend line and then up there to the hundreds. So that was it. It's only on TradingView. Yep. And look at that. We closed at 100, basically. You got to love it. It's too funny. Too funny. All right, so there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, we'll be live next week here on YouTube, 9:15 a.m. Also, like I said, Topstep is offering a 35% discount on the Combine this weekend alone for the Super Bowl. So if you guys want to learn more, there's a link there, and yeah, all that fun stuff. I will talk to you guys next week, Monday morning. I'll be live on YouTube doing step 2 of the Combine. It's a battle. We're going to get through it. So enjoy the weekend. I'll see you guys later, and I'll talk to you on the flip side. Peace to the Middle East. Thanks for the support. I'll see you guys around. Don't be afraid to hit that like button one more time, maybe. You know, just ding, 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 ding. Big thank you. I'm kind of sad because I do like this setup. I got to go back to Hawaii and film in my little box in Hawaii with my. I don't have a cool lighting setup. Look at the lights. They're like with my voice. Hey, 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 hey. I do like it. So I'll see you guys Monday morning, 9:15 a.m. live from YouTube in Hawaii. It'll be 4. Fuck, I gotta wake up at 4 o'clock again. Oh, God. I'll see you guys.